For our simple linear regression, the easiest way to do it is to use Excel's forecast function equals FORECAST forecast. Our known x will be units. Our y's, we want to predict our utility cost. And the known x is our number of units. Close parenthesis, and there's our estimated cost for 1,600 units. And we'll repeat that for machine hours, again, equals forecast. And if you want the pop-up box, we can hit the FX there, forecasting at 200. Our known y's, again, we're trying to predict our cost based on, in this case, machine hours. The next part asks us to predict our utility cost for the coming year using the best fitting two-variable multiple regression model. So we're going to check it out using units and batches, batches and machine hours, and units and machine hours. Let's go ahead. We go up to data, data analysis, our regression. Okay, and trying to predict our utility cost. And we have labels. First we'll use units and batches. And we will put our output right down in cell A37. And we have an R-square of 7238. Let's go ahead and do our next regression model. Again, data analysis, regression. This time, instead of using units and batches, we will use batches and machines. And we will put our output right down there. And we have an R-square of 70%. And we've got one more model to run. Since our data fields need to be next to each other, we would have to delete our batches column. But rather than delete our batches column, I'm just going to copy everything over to another worksheet tab. Once we've copied it to another worksheet tab, I'll delete the batches. Now we can do our data analysis, regression. Again, we want to predict our utility cost. We want to do it using units and machine hours. We will put our output right down. Let's go ahead and units and machine hours again. Our output we'll put right down below. We've got a 66% R-square, 70% R-square, 72. So units and batches is our best predicting model. Let's go ahead and predict our cost. Our cost will be equal to our y-intercept plus the number of units times, or coefficient for units, times our units, plus our coefficient for batches, times our number of batches.